Why does linger contain so many beneficial substances that do wonders to our health? Every summer and autumn, when the fruit of the linger ripens, it releases spores. Spores are the means by which the linger reproduces and continues its life. Carried away by the wind, most spores end up as ashes or in the soil. Only the rare, lucky few spores find their way to the forest and land on wooden logs that will mother them. In the spring, the spores quickly form primary hypha. The hypha is equivalent to the ovum or sperm of human beings. They are not a wholesome life body and are very weak. The primary hypha must find another of its kind in order to complete the fertilization process into secondary hypha to proceed with normal growth. The process is similar to that of an ovum of a female obtaining a complete life after being fertilized by a sperm. The secondary hypha keeps excreting hydrolase into the wood. Such an enzyme has a very strong decomposing ability and absorbs the fiber after breaking it down to manufacture essential nutrients for its own growth. As long as the nutrients in the wood are sufficient, the secondary hypha will live for many years, even up to a few hundred years. The strong will of the hypha proves that it is able to overcome adverse conditions, such as humidity and other viral infections. In fact, the ability to fight against disease, insects, and other harmful factors of linger is outstanding among the world of Basiomycetes. When the nutrients in the T-shaped base have been used up by the hypha and the climactic conditions do not allow the continued growth of the hypha, some hypha will break down on the surface of the T-based shape and reproduce themselves. Following the growth of the fruity body, numerous basidiolum are formed within the fruity body. This is why superior grades of fungi like linger and mushrooms are known as Basidiomycetes. The two nuclei within the basidiolum first combine to form a single nucleus. Thereafter, it divides itself to produce 4 small nuclei, forming 4 spores. Finally, the basidiolum ejects the ripened spores to form its fruity body. The new generation of linger spores is thus born, and the cycle repeats itself. This is how linger survive the warm and humid forest environment. It abandons the best of the greenery and chooses to reproduce on decaying wood, making wonders out of the rotten. Linger is an important ambassador between human beings and Mother Nature. It's regarded as the uncrowned king of the Mycete kingdom, making extraordinary contributions to the lives of human beings. Other members of the family of Basidiomycetes, such as mushroom, tremella, wedgehog, and dictyphora too, mostly live on Celleri. They are also beneficial to our health in one way or another. This common characteristic comes not by chance. In the process of breaking down Celleri, nutrients beneficial to the human body are formed. The best part of it is that not only does linger feed on Celleri, its fruit body will eventually become xylem. The polysaccharides and triterpenes produced in this process can be found in the human body. Some of these components are bioactive and very important tonics in regulating the internal and external environment of the body. These nutrients are mostly in the fruit body and spores, forming the most vital parts of linger.